Why, hello there, and welcome back to Doodle Rust Designs, your one-stop shop for all your character design, illustration, and doodle needs. If you're a first-time viewer, welcome to the club. If you're a subscriber and coming back for more, thanks again. As always, if you do enjoy what you're seeing and you'd like to see more, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, which does help me keep on doodling and developing my characters further. I'm trying to up my thumbnail game at the moment, and if your eye was caught by the new design that I used today, do add a comment. I'm trying to make them stand out more, different fonts, colours, just to see if it makes a difference for whether people notice the videos and come and have a look. Today is the second in my Doodle Blob series, exploring how to develop initial characters from loose shapes, allowing features, expressions, movement and gesture to flow unconsciously. Each Doodle Blob journey hopefully ending with potential for 2 or 3 characters to become part of a further series. As you can see from these 6 blobs here, we've got 2 human, 2 animal, a robot, and I suppose an alien-like monster. None of the characters were ones I was thinking of before I drew the shapes, but it was just to see what would happen from each of those starting points. Already I'm thinking there's maybe a family connection between these two. A son, grandfather, kind of adventure types, off-roaders, maybe ghost hunters. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This guy here has actually already prompted a series of kind of animal designs based on box-like shapes. I'm actually going to be developing them further using cardboard and acrylic markers. Keep your eye out as they may be part of a short series or a long-form video. I really enjoyed this one, and I've already sketched out 6 versions for an originally titled Doodlebot series. Just head and shoulders at the moment, but I'm thinking they may become full body versions. Hello there again. Not to interrupt the chilled beats and the calming colouring in, just thought I'd say about the importance of a orange beard or a carrot-topped bouffant to my characters. Being of the ginger persuasion myself, it's something I like to bring to the characters as a little touch of me. If you're still there watching, thanks for sticking around. I'm always conscious as to whether people get this far into a video, or maybe you watch without the sound on, and all the effort I put into adding the music and sound effects and commentary are kind of wasted. I've obviously enjoyed doodling, creating characters and worlds for years, but the process of actually recording, editing the videos and talking about them is a totally new one. This little cute one is going to be part of a family, I think, called the Wabbits, with a W. Mum, Dad, Nan, Grandad, sister and brother. She's going to be called Wheezy Wabbit. As we come to the end of the road on this journey, in the second of the series of Doodle Blobs, I'd like to say thanks for sticking around. I'd really appreciate any comments you might have on the characters you've seen me draw in this episode, on previous ones, things you'd like to see more of, maybe characters you'd like to see me design. As I always bring these videos to a close, I'd like to say, keep on doing what you love, keep on doodling, and I'll see you next time.